I have a pen. Answer none of the above. Which one of the following specifies the passive form of the sentence? Man is mortal. He told me which one of the following specifies the indirect form of the sentence. Answer: he told me that man is mortal. Always speak the truth. Which one of the following specifies the passive form of the sentence? Answer: let the truth be spoken always. Apocryphal authenticity. Answer: hypocritical intelligibility. Grovel servility. Answer: farm octar. Farm anger. The end of the 18th century saw the emergence of prize stock breeding with individual bulls and cows receive around fishing unprecedented price and excited enormous interest whenever they were beauty put on slow. Answer: exciting. For members of the 17th century, Ashanti nation animal head sheets with wooden farms were essential item of military equipment, a method to protect uh, warriors against enemy arrows, and spears. Answer: protecting. The golden calves of the Gulf of Mexico has not been fished commercially in great number, primarily on account of living at great depth, position to 3,000 feet down. Answer: because of its living. A serious study of physics is impossible. Answer: without some knowledge of mathematics, who fill the gap. While there is answer: no single newspaper with a large national circulation. Many magazines have a national circulation. My friend believes that research is a group eff- effort, and answer: so do I. Soon, Sillet, Forest, and Hill are answer different from of ice. It is important that all luggage answer differ for identification. Nu- Neutralize answer: contract. Insinuate answer hinet, alien answer familiar, ali answer enemy.